So we are on our way to school because the kids have I think last day of school festivities, and my husband always does this. So we gotta go to school. It's dark. So like I was saying, guys, we gotta go to school activities today. Today's the last day. Today's Friday, so they have all their last. Jaxson has don't mind Maddie, she's upset. Jaxson has gingerbread house today. Destiny has some kind of activity in her class, and I think the boys have something too. But my husband's like, we're not going for the kids, we're going for Jaxson. And another thing is, the school nurse called me and she's like, she left a voicemail because I didn't recognize the number, so I didn't pick up. She left me a voicemail. She's like, Jaxson is failed his hearing and his vision, and I freaked out. I was like, whoa, my baby can't see. I mean, he's going deaf. So I googled it and they're like, yeah, it's nothing to worry about. Usually the school testing that they do is not really so, you know, in depth. So usually kids fail stuff like that, so they're like, don't worry, as long as you get him seen by his pediatrician and get a referral to see an ophthalmologist and an ENT, you should be good to go, right? So I'm not worried about that. At first I was like, oh my gosh, my baby's blind. Like, this explained why he ran into a wood pile of stuff the other day, like legit run into a wood pile. But anyways, I'll see you guys once we get to that school. Say hi, babes.
Hey guys.
So yeah, anyways, I'm excited because we gotta go get his sister's gift. We haven't got her gifts. We gotta go get stocking stuffers for the rest of the kids because I haven't got like 2 items on their list for stocking stuffers. And then we have to get food for our vegan diet. It's not even a diet. We gotta get food for us for Christmas because his parents, they're eating meat-based food, and we need plant-based. So yeah, we gotta figure out what we're taking. And my arm is hurting, so I'll see you guys. Is that your house, John? Is that your house? Gio. Are you excited to make your house? You excited to make your name? Your name. Seriously. Gio, you excited? No. Tomato. Come on.
Yeah, give her some.
Want to have the toy?
Take this with you, okay? We're all not getting food from her, okay? Your safe can help you if she feels better.
Yeah.
Oh, this behind. When you put your candy on your
This is her
house, let me
only
show
time being in this classroom.
what
so
you're
never
gonna do. If you put the icing on the graham crackers will fall off of your house. So you have to get the icing on your stick, and then you have to take the candy and dip the candy in the icing and stick it on your house. Do you all understand? If you try to spread the icing on your house, your graham crackers will fall.
Let me see your house, buddy. Ooh, look at that. Time to put some candy on here, okay? I like your house.
No, on the Jaxson, that's good.
We should put the baby in the stroller. We got all 5 kids, which is kind of rare. So
I know.
it's bittersweet. We picked them up early because, yeah, I don't have time to sit here and wait. I gotta go. So we're gonna go shopping now, and I'll see you guys once we get to the store. No, you gotta wait. Alright, let's go. I got a lot of kids, man. But hey, they're my legacy, you know what I mean?
What's that? Jordan built it. Today I was at school. I was pajama day. Pearl said hi. Next year. Remember Jaxson? No, it's Saturday. I got a kid. He means tomorrow. How's the gingerbread house? Are you gonna share with us? No. Yeah, Dad! Huh? No. So you're gonna be like eating it all by yourself? No. Anyway. What state is it? Just please. Yes, can you get the ball? You can get the ball. I'm trying to push me. What did you get? Sit here. Yeah.
Okay, so Jaxson had his little activity. The kids, I don't even know what they had because I didn't really see anything that was worth
I just
recording.
An automatic email
I
that
was
said
supposed to
she'll
get
be out of the office today through Tuesday.
It sent you a message?
An automatic reply
Oh,
of when someone is out of the office.
yeah. I think, but she said to get it back to her.
So I don't
You wanna
know.
call her? We're gonna go call this loan officer person. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. They have these really cute socks.
I like this hat. So.
Ooh, should get her these. These are pretty. Alright, let's go. I don't see anything. This candle right here smells horrible. This one is not so bad. This is nasty.
This is nasty. But
Put it down. Put it down. This one smells good. Alright, let's go. Didn't find anything.
can I vlog? Have that first. I want to check it out. Let's start first. Look at it.
Is that what you getting your aunt?
Yeah. I'm giving Auntie one. There's another one. Yes. Okay.
I don't think your aunt is into sequins.
Doesn't matter. She's getting it. I'm stealing it from her.
Let's find her something. Let's see perfume. Oh, this is cute. I think she'll like this better.
She likes kisses, so.
Because it has the...
Kiss.
Oh, the kiss.
Look, Mommy.
Oh, that's pretty.
I like this backpack. Look, it's fuzzy. Yes. That mannequin creeps me out. He's yellow.
That's cute. I think she'll like this. But it's too it's too childish.
It's not childish. Oh, when I went to Dave and Buster's.
Good morning, guys. Merry was Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas Eve. Today's Sunday. We're preparing right now to go to our my in-laws, his mother's house today. I don't know, I look so washed out, whatever. But I went to Whole Foods to go get some meals for us because his parents eat meat, and of course my husband is vegan now. Well, we are vegan. I keep saying my husband, but we're vegan now. And yeah, so we went to Whole Foods to go get some stuff for us to prepare to bring to his parents, so we have something to eat, because we're gonna be there until Monday morning. We come back to our house Monday morning so the kids can open their presents under the tree. We already did stockings, and I have like 2 more gifts to wrap, and then I'm done. Like, I'm completely done. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Whole Foods, because we got some really good stuff. So let me show you guys. Okay, so my husband found these amazing, it's called Beyond Meat, and these are Beyond Burger, and they say that you can grill these on the grill without it falling apart. So we got 2 of those, and then I have Maddie in my hand, so this is hard. So we got some burger buns to go with that, and then we got these vegan cookies as dessert for later. So that's that. Okay, so we got some, ooh, bless you, baby. Bless you. Bless you. We got some liquid smoke, potato, some tempeh. This was $1.99, and then I got one that says Fakin' Bacon, and it was like $4.49. I was like, take that off.
Oh. I was like, nope.
And then we got some barbecue sauce to marinate this guy. Got some tomato paste to put in here, and then we're gonna do some vegetable kebabs, skitch kebab. I don't know, whatever. And so that's what the peppers are. The peppers are for. And then we got some of this guy. This is Fabonese, whatever. It's eggless mayo. So that's that. And this is what the burgers look like. My husband getting ready to marinate them. So okay, so I stuffed all the stockings last night. So I did a base. I stuffed the stockings with what I wanted to put in there, and then we drew names out of a hat, and we each got a person as a secret stocking stuffer. So they filled up the stocking all the way back up. So I put names on the stockings so that they would come out here and find whose stocking they got and fill it back up, and then put it. So we won't know until tomorrow who finished filling up our stockings and what they got us. So that should be fun, right?